Hi everyone, welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to discuss the next topic from our third chapter, work of sea waves, ice and wind. Work of sea waves. The erosion and deposition of the sea waves gives rise to coastal landforms. Sea caves. Continuous wave action of sea erodes the rocky face on the seashore to form curves. Such type of curves are known as sea caves. In the picture, you can see that is a sea cave. Sea arches. Because of continuous wave action, only the roof of the cave remain, thus forming a sea arches. This is a picture of a sea arches. From this we can understand that only the roof of the sea cave remain there. It forms a sea arches. Sea stacks. Erosion break the roof of the arches and only wall are left. These wall-like features are called stacks. This is a picture of a sea stacks. Beaches. The sea waves deposit sediments along the seashore. These places are called beaches. In this picture, you can see the beach. This picture clearly showing the sea cave, arch, stack, etc. And these are some of the major landforms which is formed by sea waves. Work of ice. Glaciers. Glaciers are rivers of ice which too erode the landscape by bulldozing soil and stones to expose the solid rock below. Glaciers are accumulation of snow that are formed in areas where the amount of snow that falls exceeds the amount that melts. Glaciers form distinct landforms that look like frozen river moving slowly over some land surface or down a valley. Work of wind. Wind is an active agent of erosion and deposition in the desert. The wind flowing over a long period create different landforms. Mushroom rocks. Usually found in desert area. Mushroom rocks are common in desert area. The wind blowing at high speed take with it sand particles. The particles being heavier remain close to the surface, and as wind passes along the rock, the sand particles erodes the portion of rock closer to the surface without affecting the upper portion. This gives the rocks a mushroom-like shape. The picture you can see a mushroom rock. These mushroom rocks are very common in desert areas. Wind can create landforms when it deposits its sediments, especially in desert and along coast. Sand dunes and loess are landscape features deposited by wind. Sand dunes. A dune is a mound of sand formed by the wind, usually along the beach or in a desert. Dunes forms when wind blows sand into a sheltered area behind an obstacle. Dunes grow as grains of sand accumulate. Every dune has a windward side and a slip face. The right side of the screen you can see the picture of sand dunes. Loess. Loess. It is a sedimentary deposit of mineral particles which are finer than sand but coarser than dust or clay, deposited by the wind. Loess is a type of slate which forms fertile topsoil in some parts of the world. Loess deposits are usually a few meters thick. The soil has few clay particles to hold it together. The right side of the screen you can see the picture of loess. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.